What are you fuckboys doing?
No face, no case. I got it.
Reefer. You know, Reefer Madness. A city starved of fame. It's the same old thing. Yes, lean with me, rock with me. Golden sodas. One.
My wife is here. She has no idea that we're doing this. Why are they all wearing fucking gloves?
I grew up on the east side, the mug and be B-side, deep fried and greed lie, clam baked by the seaside. 10 legs wearing knee highs, sand shakes off their sweet thighs. Back in 99 when I was silver spoon fair, Pops had the poster, doling out the bread. John's on the salsa, going against his head. I got divorced, yeah, cold as a coast, but there ain't enough stamps in your passport for this crash course. I passed the class, now let's fast forward. Blast from the guys out on the back porch. Cash in the dash, I went straight to the